9:54 on a Sunday night. I have my fuel pump hooked up. Appears to be I am leaking gas. It's primed to here. My fuel lines are right there. All I have to do is hook them up after I fix that gas leak. And I should be ready to fire. Like, actually run on the fuel tank. So, let me fix that if that's what's leaking. After 3 different O-rings, the fuel line in back is fixed, but unfortunately, fuel pressure regulator is squirting. It's old. So, there's no O-ring on it. Well, let's just say there's no O-ring on that. So, I'm basically done for tonight. There's a ton of gas in here. I'm gonna let it all fume out here tonight and be done for tonight. So, it's either gonna be Tuesday, Thursday, or next weekend before it actually fires. I'm gonna go in right now and order that. So I have my fuel system done now and everything's wired on my car. So you want to hear it run and idle? I've already done this a couple times, but well, it don't really idle because it's really loud. You ready? God dang. I only do that every once in a while. That's loud.